Okay, here's the Great Blizzard of 13. It's a little afternoon. Started snowing about, I don't know, 8:30 or 9, I guess. Then we had sleet, thunder, and this is snow and sleet mixed together. And it's bitter cold, down in the teens. I don't know what the temperature is, but it's bitter cold. And everything's freezing as soon as it hits. They're talking about having thunderstorms yet this afternoon. It'll be freezing rain and ice. So I'll take some more pictures later. Just got all the horses fed. Everybody seems to be doing okay. And Shar's up here on the wall watching them. She's checking out her horses. She sits up here on the wall so she can watch them.